Hi, hello everyone. Good morning, one and all. Welcome to today's online class. In last session, we discussed about union of two sets, intersection of two sets, based on union of two sets and intersection of two sets problems. In this session, you have to discuss remaining problems of exercise 1.4. So here A is equal to 7th problem. A is equal to x is to x is a natural number. X is to x is a natural number. B is equal to x is to x is an even natural number. Even natural number. C is equal to x is to x is an odd natural number. Odd natural number. D is equal to x is to x is a prime number. Find A intersection B. Second one, A intersection C. Third one, A intersection D. Fourth one, B intersection C. Fifth one, B intersection D. Sixth one, C intersection D. Dear children, A is equal to x is to x is a natural number. Here they given in set builder form. We should write in roster form. A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 so on. So B is equal to B set. X is to x is an even natural number. 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10 comma 12 so on. C is equal to x is to x is an odd natural number. 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9 so on. D is equal to x is to x is a prime number. 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 11 comma 13 comma 17 so on. Now I want to find A intersection B. A intersection B. What is A set? This is A set. What is B set? This is B set. Dear children, the common elements of A intersection B, the common elements of A and B, here 2 is there, here also 2 is there. Here 4 is there, here also 4 is there. Here 6 is there, here also 6 is there. Here 8 is there, and here I put in here so on. That means I will write B. A intersection B is equal to B, because here also even numbers is there. Here set is even numbers. So the common of A and B is even natural number. Even natural number is B set. Next question. A intersection C. A intersection C. This is A, this is C. The common element of A and C is 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, so on. So odd numbers only here common. Here also odd numbers is there. Here only odd numbers is there. That means odd numbers is common. So this is infinite set. We should not write we should not it is we can't write elements. That's why it is a C set. A intersection C is equal to C. Next, A intersection D. Third one is A intersection D. A intersection D is, here A is a natural number, D is a prime number. 2 is there, 3 is there, 5 is there, 7 is there. This natural number. This set all natural numbers. Ivu saha natural numbers. Therefore, A intersection D is equal to D. Next, fourth one, B intersection C. See children, B, this is B set, this is C set. B intersection C, here even numbers is there, here odd numbers is there. B intersection C is equal to null. B intersection C is equal to null. Fifth one, B intersection D. So this is B, this is D, that is 2 is there, B intersection D only 2. So next, only, that is even prime number, only one even prime number, only one even prime number is 2, B intersection D is 2. So either in all prime numbers only one even prime number, that is only 2. Okay, so B intersection D is 2. So 3, 5, 7, these are all even numbers, but even prime number is 2, only, that is 2. 2 is common. Next, sixth question, C intersection D. See children, C intersection D, that is 3 is there, 5 is there, 7 is there, but 9 is not there. That is 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9. 9 is not there. Next 11 is there. Next 13 is there. Next 17 is there. So on. So C intersection D is this one. Observe once again. This A set is given in the form of set builder. B set also is given in set builder. C set is also a set builder. D set is also a set builder. So A is roster, B is roster, C is roster, D is roster. A intersection B is equal to B, A intersection C is equal to C, A intersection D is equal to D, B intersection C is equal to null, and B and C are disjoint sets. Already I told, B intersection, any intersection of any two sets is null. Those sets are disjoint sets. If any two sets intersection is not equal to null, that is intersection of two sets are overlapping sets. So B intersection D is equal to 2, that is only one even prime. C intersection D 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, so on. Next problem. Eighth one, which of the following sets are disjoint sets? First one, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equal to x is to x is a natural number is a natural number 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6. Dear children, here a is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. B is equal to, here interval form is given. Interval form is given. 4 close, 6 close. 4 is close, 6 is close. That means including 4 and including 6. 4 comma 5 comma 6. Here we should take A intersection B. We should check A intersection B. If A intersection B is equal to null, those given sets are disjoint. Suppose A intersection B not equal to null, the given sets are intersection sets. A intersection B, here 4 is common. 1 is not there, 2 is not there, 3 is not there, 4 is common. A intersection B is equal to 4. A intersection B not equal to null. A and B are not disjoint sets. Not disjoint sets. Now come to second question. Second question is A is equal to A comma E comma I comma O comma U. B is equal to C comma D comma E comma F. We should check we should check the intersection of these two sets. A intersection B is equal to A comma I comma O comma U intersection C comma D comma E comma F. A intersection B is equal to, what is any common element is there? Yes, E is common. E is common. Intersection element is E. This is not equal to null. A and B are not disjoint sets. Not disjoint sets. Next question. Third one, x is to x is an even integer. A is equal to x is to x is an even integer. B is equal to x is to x is an odd integer. Dear children, x is to x is an even integer. A is equal to, what are the even integers? That is plus 2, plus 4, plus 6, plus 4, plus 6, plus 8, so on. Minus 2, minus 4, so on. So B is equal to x is to x in an odd integer. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 5, so on. 1, 3, 5, so on. Here I want to find A intersection B. Here A intersection B, any common element is there? No. Here minus 2 is there. Here minus 2 is not there. Here minus 3 is there, here minus 3. There is no common element of these two sets. Therefore, A intersection B is equal to null. Therefore, A and B are disjoint sets. Disjoint sets. Exercise 1.4 is completed. In exercise 1.4, only union of two sets and intersection of two sets only is there. In this exercise 1.4, another concept is there, that is difference of two sets. Thus, difference of two sets is deleted concept. Okay, so which is deleted concept? Difference of two sets. In this chapter, this concept is deleted, and exercise 1.5 is also deleted. Only 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. In 1.4, difference of two sets is deleted. So here, and exercise 1.5 fully deleted. So next 1.6 is there. Okay. Exercise 1.4 is completed. Next you have to discuss examples of union of two sets, intersection of two sets. Example problems. Example 12. If A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, B is equal to 6, 8, 10, 12. Find A union B. Find A union B. Here A union B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, union 6, 8, 12, 10, 12. Union of these two sets is A union B is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This is A union B. Next, example 13. If A is equal to A, E, I, O, U, B is equal to A, I, U. Show that A union B is equal to A. Show that A union B is equal to A. Here A is equal to A union B is equal to A, I, O, U. Union A, I, U. A union B is equal to, so I mean we should write together A, I, O, U. So A union B is equal to A because this is A value. And for this I can draw the Venn diagram. Okay. This is universal set. This fully box is universal. This is A set. This is B set. This set is A. This set is B. Here any common elements is there. This is common part. Common elements of A and B is A, I, U. Okay. A, I, U. So and the remaining elements of A is E, O. Remaining elements of B is, there is no elements of B. So this is the Venn diagram of A union B. A union B. Now by using Venn diagram, the elements of all elements of A and B, by using Venn diagram you should write A union B is equal to the elements of both A and B, all elements of A and B. So here AIU is common elements of A and B, and EO is the elements of A, but we should write all elements of A and B. All elements of A and B is, that is A union B. A union B is A comma E comma I comma U. So the intersection of A and B is, intersection of A intersection B is equal to, what is intersection part of A and B? This is intersection part of A and B. So what are the intersection elements? A comma I comma U. A comma I comma U. So this is Venn diagram of A union B and A intersection B. This is Venn diagram of these two sets of A union B and A intersection B. Next question. And difference of two sets is not there in your syllabus. In this year only difference of two sets is not there. But for JEE and for CET, so for JEE, I mean full syllabus is there. For KCET also deleted syllabus, so they will not give. Next question is, A is equal to 1 comma example 17, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10. B is equal to 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7. Find A intersection B and draw the Venn diagram. And draw the Venn diagram. Dear children, A intersection B is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10 intersection 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7. So here intersection of these two sets are 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7. This is equal to B. A intersection B is equal to B, and this one you have to draw in the Venn diagram. This is A set, this is B set, this is universal set. The common elements of both A and B is 2, 3, 5, 7. This is common part of both A and B. The remaining elements of A is 1, 4, 6. Okay. The remaining elements of, there is no remaining elements of B. Okay. There is no remaining elements of B. This is A intersection B. By using Venn diagram, A intersection B is 2, 3, 5, 7. So what is by using Venn diagram? A union B is 1. The elements of all elements of A and B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the all elements of A union. The all elements of A and B is A union B. So that means, so here union of two sets, intersection of two sets. Union of two sets means the set of all those elements which belongs to either A or B. That is union of two sets. Intersection of two sets means the set of all those elements which belongs to both A and B. That is intersection of two sets. Based on that, I discussed exercise 1.4. Based on that, I discussed example problems. Exercise 1.4 is completed. In next session, you have to discuss some general Venn diagrams and exercise 1.6. Today, I am concluding the class. Thank you, one and all.